Today I want to introduce a traditional Japanese New Year's mochi soup called Ozoni. There are so many regional variations of this dish, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make my local version, which is Nagoya style. The first step is frying the chicken, so heat a pan on medium and add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Add about 100 grams of boneless chicken thigh and season it with a pinch of salt. We're going to fry that until it's cooked through and a bit golden on the outside. While you wait, start boiling a pot of water and cut 100 grams of Japanese mustard spinach into thirds. This is called komatsuna, but if you can get it, bok choy is a good substitute. Drop that in the boiling water and blanch it for 30 seconds. Then transfer it to a bowl of ice water. This technique improves the flavor, texture and color of the komatsuna. Next we're going to make the soup. Pour 400 milliliters of dashi to a pot and add half teaspoon of mirin. Next we're adding kirimochi, which is a cut rice cake. This is enough soup for 4 portions, but I'll cook 2 now and then cook 2 more later when I eat the leftovers. We add the mochi to the dashi before it's boiling so that it doesn't become too soft and mushy on the outside. Mochi is supposed to bring happiness and good fortune, so we commonly eat it around the new year. This soup is lightly seasoned and relies a lot on the flavor of the dashi, so I recommend using homemade dashi or a high quality dashi packet rather than granules. Gently simmer over medium heat. The mochi is ready when it's soft on the outside and looks like this. Next, add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and the pan-fried chicken thigh from earlier. If there are chicken juices in the pan, add those in too for a deeper flavor. Simmer for about 1 minute to warm the chicken through, and then we're ready to serve up. I was born and raised in the Nagoya area, so I've always enjoyed Nagoya-style Ozoni. Nagoya's Ozoni is often called the simplest in Japan, and I think that's part of what makes it so special. It's a simple, uncomplicated dish that focuses on purity and quality of its ingredients rather than being extravagant. It's a bit ironic though, because other parts of Japan often see us as bold and flashy in general. Place the mochi in a soup bowl. And add about 3 pieces of chicken per portion. I'm also adding kamaboko, which is another typical New Year's food. Add a small bunch of komatsuna. And then pour the soup over the top. Garnish with bonito flakes, and that's it. Authentic Nagoya-style Ozoni, a light and delicate version of Japanese New Year's mochi soup with chicken. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you want the printable recipe, you can find it on my blog. I've put the link on the screen. And if you like this video, don't miss my soup playlist popping up on your screen right now. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy New Year.